Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this CapCut tutorial, I'm showing you how to use tracking feature on CapCut. So guys, to get started, you just want to, of course, on the top, click on new video. And in here, you pretty much just choose a video that you wish to add. So go ahead and choose it from your media library and then press on add. Also click on HD. Okay, and now guys, we are taken into the editing interface. And in here, you just want to choose a clip to which you want to use the tracking feature for. So in my case, I just click on this clip. And in here, we need to find our effect. All right, so scroll all the way to the right until you see camera tracking. As you can see, it's a new feature. And then click on it. And now the feature is applied. Choose camera tracking once again. And now you can choose which mode you want to use. So for example, if you want to track a face, a body, hands, or custom. So for example, let's track a face and press on track. And after that, you just press on track, then the app will analyze your video clip, find the face, and of course, or the body, whichever you choose, and of course, will put the camera focus on that particular subject. And after that, you can just go ahead and export from here, choose the quality. Maybe you want to paste it on Instagram or TikTok, and yeah, pretty much save to your device, for example. All right, and after that, you're done, guys. So just find a camera tracking, apply it, choose the mode, and you're good to go. Enjoy the video, guys. If this helped you out, make sure to put thumbs up on the video, of course, and subscribe.